Yo guys, what's up? Here with a new YouTube video, and today we are doing an oil change. So I'm showing you guys how to do an oil change on a Nissan 350Z. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do an oil change on a Nissan 350Z. We already put the car on some Rams, and I forgot to film that, my fault. But we're gonna let the car cool down, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do an oil change on my Nissan 350Z. So yeah, stay tuned. So here we got a box from Z1 Motorsports. It's just an oil change kit. So it has everything in there, and let's open it up. It's hard to open the box with this one hand. Oh my damn. So yeah, it has all the oil. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here's the and this is the ring for the plug. My car should be almost cooled down. Let's get started. You guys, it's time. I think the car cooled down. It's absolutely hot, but we're probably gonna burn ourselves. But fuck it. So listen. The plug, take the oil stick out, or the thing out. Let's get under the car, and I'm probably gonna burn myself, but fuck it. So here's the drain plug of the oil pan. It's a 15 by socket. So let's scoot the oil pan underneath here, and let's unplug it. And then we get the oil fan. Oil filter off, and then we wait till it's all drained, and then we put in the new one with the new something and new oil filter on. Let's get started. I just realized it was not such a smart idea to wear a white shirt, but it don't matter. So you can't really see me, don't matter. So
but I cannot see, I'm legally blind.
now we just unscrew this. Wait, lefty loosey. Now it's loose, and now we just try to get no oil on my finger. Comment now down below if we are getting oil on my fingers. I hope not, because it's still probably very hot, and I love that you can see my ass. No. Okay, yeah, I failed, and it is pretty hot still. Damn it! We failed, and we got oil everywhere. But let's drain it. We just wait till that's out, and then we do the oil filter. Oil actually looks pretty clean. I don't see no really metal or nothing glitter. So actually, my engine still looks pretty good. But yeah, that's good. So always, every time you do oil change, you just always look. If you see something glitter in the oil, that's just good. And let's change this out. So in the meanwhile, while we wait for the oil to fully drain, we take this old one out. If you do your oil change regularly, it should just be easily off. And if not, you can use like a little cutter, cut it off. But mine, because I always do my oil change on time, should just come off, and let's put a new one on. So this comes with from Z1 Motorsports. Just comes with it. There's stuff in there. Stickers on. Z1 sticker, 2 actually. And then there's this. You can write the date, what mileage you got now, and then the type of oil. The type of oil I'm using, or is good for the Nissan 350Z, is the 5W30. So that's recommended by Nissan. So yeah. And then here is the new thing on and let's put it onto the drain plug. That is on. Here's the new filter, but let's take off the old one. So here's the old filter. I try to take it off with my hand, but I don't know if it's my gloves, but it's too tight. But let's just get a tool and get it off with the tool. We got it loose. I used like a big clamp to loosen up because I just didn't want to come off. So now it's just hand loose. Just loosen that bit up, and in it goes. So now we just clean it up a little bit, put the new one in, the old one with the new gasket, just tighten it. There's probably a torque recommendation, but we're freestyling here. Okay, that's good. My gloves are fucked. And now let's put on new filter. For the new filter, you just take a little bit old oil and just rub it onto the new one. Take it a bit, and then you just put it on, and you just screw it hand tight. Just hand tight, and now get everything set, and now let's go up to the top and fill it up with new oil. So now we just fill up with 5W30, and let's go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we just screw back on. Put the oil stick back into it if I could see it. And now we're just gonna start it, check for some leaks. Let it idle for like a minute or two, and then we should be good. pressure looks good. And now let's check for some leaks. Okay, that looks good. The oil filter looks good. That looks good. Yeah, guys, that's it with the video. I hope you guys learned how to do an oil change on a Nissan 350Z. And like always, guys, love you guys and peace out.